Today I'm showing you how to make one of my favorite cocktails in the entire world, the mint julep. Just kidding, it's julep. What's up guys? Welcome back to the Libations Academy, and if you haven't subscribed, make sure to do that if you enjoy learning about beer, wine, and cocktails like what we're doing today. So the mint julep is seriously like my second favorite cocktail in the world. Number one would be the old fashioned. Thank you very much. I love my bourbon. I know I say this about like everything, but this is seriously one of the easiest cocktails for you to make. It takes very simple ingredients you probably already have in your home bar, and the only other thing you really need is mint. Now, I have mint growing in my yard because it's seriously like one of the easiest herbs to grow. Just buy yourself a plant and it will grow for you year after year. Be careful because it's like a weed. It will seriously take over your garden, so it's best to keep them in pots. I keep mine in this whole, it's got a whole section because that's how much I love mint juleps. Seriously, I grow mint for mint juleps. So to make yourself a proper mint julep, you need to make sure you have crushed ice. Now this is pretty integral to like the history of the mint julep. I think I read somewhere that mint juleps actually used to be served warm, and they really gained popularity when they featured ice, which used to be a luxury. So if your refrigerator crushes your ice for you, you're golden. Otherwise, you can buy an ice crusher, which is what my husband and I had to have before we had an ice machine in our fridge. You can also just pound ice with a mallet in a bag, or you can go to Sonic because a lot of people love Sonic's crushed ice. Also, legit mint juleps are served in silver cups. I don't know how I love this drink so much and I don't have any silver cups, but honestly, I think I just have too much glassware in general, so I've just never gone out and bought them. If you don't have any fancy mint julep silver cups, go ahead and just serve them in a highball glass or even a rocks glass if you have nothing else. Anyway, let's show you how to make this bad boy. To make the drink, take off a few mint leaves. Pour 1 ounce of simple syrup into your cup. By the way, you can totally make simple syrup at home. And muddle them well with the simple syrup. Add 3 ounces of bourbon and 2 ounces of water. Then top up with crushed ice. Put your straw in and give it a swirl to mix all the ingredients together. And then garnish with your most beautiful sprig of mint. This is key because it's all about the aromatics. And there you have it, my friends, the mint julep. I know I add water to my mint julep. A lot of you out there might be like, oh my gosh, don't add water to mint juleps. I personally need water because if I were to add any more bourbon, I would be like on the floor. Remember, this drink has 3 ounces of bourbon, so drink it slowly. It's very hard to drink it slowly though because it's so good, just saying. If this drink is too sweet for you, just feel free to add more bourbon, or if there's too much bourbon in it, just feel free to add more simple syrup or water. Really make the drink what works for you. All right, my friends, enjoy your mint julep this season. Don't limit yourself to the Kentucky Derby. Like seriously, this is what I'm sipping on all summer long. I'll see you next time. Cheers.